Hello, I present to you my cousin's routine. He is a cybertech student. He is 21 years old and still lives in his parents' house. My cousin Brian has a very relaxed life. We all think he has a problem, but he doesn't realize it. He watches TV from 6 o'clock a.m. to 9 o'clock a.m. He is locked in his room and does not like to be interrupted. He goes to the gym at 9:30, then comes home to watch his favorite show. Then he has lunch with his family with the television on. He takes a shower at 3 o'clock p.m. and then goes to his graphic design class at Cybertech. He watches Netflix series on his cell phone while on the bus. Coming home, he greets his parents and sits down for dinner. His family is tired because he always turns on the television while they are at the table and they cannot talk much. Ending dinner again, my cousin locks himself in his room to watch reality shows and new cuts until midnight. My cousin does not take care of his health since he only sleeps about 6 hours and that overtime is harmful for him. He is always in a bad mood and talks very little to his family and friends. His eyes are red from daily eye strain. He has very grades at the institute since he does not do his task because he watches TV all the time. He should read books to distract his mind and gain new knowledge. Your family should have more family moments to play and talk. He should go out with, with his friends more often for walks, sports, and conversation. He could look for a job to do his pre-professional internships and thus keep his time busy. Well, finally, my cousin is working part-time at a fast food restaurant, and he is busy and happy. Now he goes out from time to time with my with his girlfriend and his friends, and finds himself enjoying life. He is reading books more often, and also he is listening to music at home to relax at night. Thanks to the good decisions he's, he has made, he has improved his mood. He is happy. He has improved his relationship with his family, and he is learning new things.